In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space in Gmail and drive Google One storage. If your Google storage is getting full, a few simple cleanup steps can make a big difference. We're going to go through Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos so you can clear out large files and reclaim space quickly. First, open Gmail on your computer. This process is easier to manage on a larger screen, especially when you are reviewing emails with big attachments. Once Gmail is open, go to the search bar at the top and type has attachment larger. This search is used to find emails that contain large attached files, which are often the biggest space users in your inbox. After the results appear, look through the messages carefully and delete the ones you no longer need. It's a good idea to double-check before removing anything important, since attachments like videos, PDFs, and image files can take up a lot of storage. After deleting those emails, the next step is to fully remove them from your account. In the left side menu, open the Trash folder and click Empty Trash Now. Then open the Spam folder and click Delete All Spam Messages Now. This part is important because deleted emails still count toward your storage until those folders are emptied. Next, move over to Google Drive. Open Drive and look at the left menu. Then click Storage. This section shows you which files are using the most space. Sort your files by storage used from large to small, so the biggest items appear first. That makes it much easier to identify old videos, large backups, or duplicate files you don't need anymore. Select the files you want to remove. Then click Move to Trash. As with Gmail, remember that files placed in the trash are not permanently deleted right away. To finish the drive cleanup, go to Trash in the left menu and click Empty Trash. This is the step that actually frees up the storage, so don't skip it if your goal is to recover space immediately. Finally, open Google Photos. Click the gear icon to open Settings. Then change your upload quality from Original to Storage Saver. This helps reduce the size of your existing photos while still keeping them at a high-quality resolution. It's a very useful setting if photos are taking up a large portion of your Google One storage. Once you've completed these 3 areas, you should have much more available space across your Google account. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.